The work week sucks. But you know what doesn't suck? Going camping on a weeknight. Micro adventures are what make my life so fun. I work a full-time job.
Working 9 to 5.
I skied 60 days this year and adventure as much as humanly possible. It's totally doable while you're a full-time worker. You can do it! The clock struck 4, my workday finished. Laura and I hopped into the truck, packed a bit of food, and we're driving out to go camp on the ocean tonight. And I gotta be back in the office chair for 8 a.m. tomorrow. So we gotta get driving down this logging road because this truck ain't gonna drive itself. Logging road, it's absolutely mint, you know. Got another few kilometers. We're moving real slow, but that's a-okay. Oh, that was a good sound. We've arrived at camp for the night. We're gonna try and decide whether we're gonna sleep in the truck or sleep in a tent. We got 2 other people here, so we're gonna just do a little diddle around and see what looks good. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Desolation sound. You just can't beat it. We've got an absolutely gorgeous campsite. We're gonna go out into the water, have a swim, make some appies. I think it's called burrata. Don't even know what that is. Sounds tasty. This is what car camping's all about, you know? The chills.
That was not graceful.
We thought we were gonna go for a hike, but then it's like 30 degrees and it's so hot. Gotta dodge the jellyfish. Oh, instant relaxation. So aquatic in here. There's so many aquatic animals in here. I can like smell fish. It's quiet out here. Bonjour, oui, oui, it's time for some appetizers. I don't think that's how you say it. Time for some appies. Laura.
That was not me, like. So good.
I've never eaten something this gourmet while camping. This is what car camping's all about, baby. Gonna have my first burrata here. So good. Tastes like a margarita pizza. I'm in heaven. This is fancy. This ain't no sidekicks.
No, what the heck? Where are the
That's
sidekicks?
what you guys were expecting. Disappointing coming from us. It is really a smoke right now. It's almost like 8 p.m. We're hanging, chilling, grilling. There's something so nice about sitting in a lawn chair on the ocean. We're playing the move with the tide game right now. The tide just keeps moving us higher and higher, and we just keep waltzing our chairs back. You could call it musical chairs. We're on the move again. Now it's time for course number 2. Whipped cream in the wild. So good.
Why is that so good?
So good. We opted for the truck sleep tonight. Can you blame us? It's our second home.
Paradise.
It's paradise. Paradise on earth. Now we just have to get back for the work day tomorrow. Set that alarm early. All right. Night, folks. Morning, gang. What a wonderful evening we had. I'm so well rested, but had to set the alarm pretty early because we got to drive back and I got to get back to my computer and get back for work. Beautiful. Let the commute begin.
Woo! Bumpy!
Something so satisfying about watching the dirt just come off your feet after you gone camping. Hot coffee, let's make it a little bit hotter. Who needs creamer when you've got a little bit of liquid courage? One minute till my first meeting. Cheers, boys and girls.
I-35 with the top down, quick to tell a hater they should get like me. Seem like
Yeah, I don't recommend this one.
everybody wanna be the boss, but it costs in these lanes.
It's interesting. It's interesting. That's all I'm gonna say.
Drop a couple bands on the crypto fans, know my shit go.
It hits you. It's not that good. I don't recommend using liquid courage as creamer. I recommend drinking liquid courage by itself. It's totally possible to go camping on a weeknight. Micro adventures make life so much more fun, especially when they're on work nights. So cheers, bottoms up. See if I can get through this whole coffee. There's just no way. Was it? It just hits the nostrils first, and then that's That is actually horrible. Bye, liquid courage. Bye.